Hi guys, if you guys are new here, my name is Susmit Sankhe. Today I'm going to unbox a RYOBI 40V lawnmower. This thing is heavy. By the way, I ordered this from the Home Depot. I really recommend you don't do a shipping. If you wanna buy this, go to the Home Depot or whoever is selling them, go there and pick it up. Because look at this, what happened to the box. I did the shipping, they just tape it everywhere. From box is everywhere is torn. And the UPS guy delivered this thing. He's picking up like this. He came to my front door and like boom. I don't know I don't know if anything damaged inside or not. I'm gonna figure it out after I open the box. But I really recommend go to the store and pick it up by yourself. Don't do the shipping. It's bad, it's really bad. So let's start. Let's open this box first. So what you got? You got this bag, probably for the grass. I'm gonna keep this side. That's nothing. That thing. This. Oh, feel like there's a battery inside. Yes. 40 volts, 6 ampere lithium ion battery. Oh, it's pretty big. So let me put this back inside. Oh. The first of all, I think I opened the box upside down. Let me. Yes. Yeah. I did it upside down. This for, but this is where you charge your battery. I have some manuals how to assemble. Ooh. Not how to assemble, it has all the products what the RYOBI sells. Says register your product for the warranty, and now it's a manual. So I don't think so I need a manual. I'm just going to use my brain and see how to assemble this. Now start assembling. Yeah, I think this is the lock, so you do this, it's come up like this. Okay. Now you lock it again, so yes. Now it's time to attach this bag to this rod. So you put, so your rod should be in this direction and your bag should be in this direction. So put your rod here and start attaching these clips. like this. Now it's time to attach your bag to the lawnmower. That's it. I think I am done with the assembling this stuff. I don't know what is this for. Okay. This is for the raising and lowering your lawnmower. So if you wanna adjust the grass height, I'm gonna go lower this size. Okay. Look like my battery is about 10 to 15% charge. I'm gonna show you how to turn this on, and that's it. I'm gonna end the video there. So add the battery. You need to open this flap like this. Slide this battery like this. Here you can. Now it's connected. Sometimes this thing is connected to the machine, but sometimes it's not. But if it's not connected, the machine will not work. So make sure this is connected. You just slide it down here, and that's it. Now battery is connected, and it's very easy to start the machine. So start the machine, pull this lever, and start button. Yeah. With this, you can select the speed of the blade, and if you wanna stop, just leave it, and that's it. You're done. That's it for today. Hit me a like and subscribe my channel. See you.